Good morning. It's Friday. Now, what happens when it's Friday? Lini?
I go to school.
That's right. Lini goes to school as well. And she's got her lip balm on. Show me your lips. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, sana all. Alrighty, girls. Go in. That's Celine's outfit for today. Tingnan niyo.
My outfit for today.
Your outfit every day, Paris.
Mom, why? I'm not to open the door.
You're a big girl, that's why. Yeah.
This?
The bottom one.
This?
Yep. There you go. Thank you, baby. You want my kiss? Wow, sparkly lips. Love you. Strong?
Mom, move.
Okay, I'm moving. Oh. Two hands. Two hands. One's ready. Oh my goodness, you did it! Like the cup? The top one.
This?
The top one.
This?
This one, this one.
This?
Yes, please. Yay! Thank you, Baba. Beb, beb, beb. Okay, go this way. Where are you going?
To school.
To school! Like a big girl. Nasusuot na yung mga damit ni Ate Paris before. No? Yung overalls. Naalala niyo ba yan? Si Ate Paris. And now she's wearing it. Oh, such a cutie with the Nike Dunks. What is it, baby?
Frankie.
Frankie? We'll find out when we get in. Yeah.
A few moments later.
I'll keep believing in magic. Someday, somehow, my true love will come. This may be my last day alone. 'Cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love. Guys, ako lang ba yung na-LSS sa kanta ni Alexa Ilacad? Oh my God, I've been singing it non-stop since yesterday. Nakita ko kasi sa YouTube na sample siya. Tapos, pinanood ko na sa YouTube yung, yung whole song. And then, nasa shower ako, guys. Nasa kwarto ako, binibihisan ko yung mga kids. Lahat ng ginagawa ko, sasakyan ako, kinakanta ko. Kailangan ko ilabas. Kasi, punong-puno. Mura akong buang, guys. I so love this song. Like, I'm having goosebumps now. I love the song. I love Alexa's voice, especially. Very clear and very, like, full of emotion. Sobrang sarap pakinggan sa tenga, guys. For sure, lahat sa inyo nakarinig na ng kanta. Ano? Kasi, kung narinig ko dito sa Australia, for sure yung mga nasa Pilipinas narinig ko, diba? Kasi minsan, late si mami nyo hindi updated. Anyways, nakauwi ko lang, guys. Na-drop ko na ang ating mga girls. And, dapat sana pupunta ako sa, i-vacuum ko yung sasakyan. Kasi very dusty na. Something that I couldn't do if Celine is around. Kasi natatakot siya sa vacuum na doon sa yung panglinis ng sasakyan. But then, hindi pa ako nakapagkape. Hindi pa ako nakapaghilamos ng yung proper hilamos na maglalagay nung hair skin ko. Hindi pa. Nag-ano lang ako kanina yung wipes pa. Tapos naglagay ng sunscreen kasi kailangan ko yun kapag lumabas ng bahay. So, magkakape muna tayo. And of course, because I'm very excited, may suman tayo. From Sheena the other day. Ay, hindi pwedeng hindi mo na magkakape si mami nyo before anything else. Para may lakas tayo. Oops. We'll have 3 of the suman. So, in order ko 20 pieces, diba? So, ito na lang yung naiwan. 3, 5, 8. So, 12 na yung nakain ko. Every time, hindi lang pang breakfast, guys. Any time of the day. Ito yung kinakain ko. See, feel ko na nasa merkado lang ako. Nasa market lang ko umakain. So, our agenda for today is 1 o'clock may pedicure si mami nyo. You know that, guys. It's the only day na nagagawa ko yung bagay for myself. So, buti na lang si ate may available siya na 1 o'clock. Sabi pa nga niya 4 o'clock. Sabi ko, I can't kasi kailangan kong pick upin si ate Paris sa school at 3 and then baby Celine at 5. So, I can only do things before 3 o'clock. So, she's kind enough para mag-offer ng 1 o'clock. Still 9:50 in the morning. So, may time pa ako magkape, maglinis, and then I'll leave around 12. Actually, may pupunta dito, mapipick up ng bags. But, seriously guys, hindi na ako nag-expect sa mga tao na sinasabi na magpipick up ng bag. Kasi, I've been burned so many times. Like, I'm not sure kung bakit sobrang daming tao na paasa. They don't care about your feelings. They don't care about you in general, really. Kasi, I'll give you an example. My babae, she was asking about my bags. 3 of my bags, hindi lang isa. And, hindi siya nagtitext. Yung ginagamit niya, voice record. So, she sounded, ako naman guys, I'm not too bad with parang mag-distinguish kung okay yung tao or hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. But, she sounded decent. She sounded like a normal person to me. So, nag-expect ako. High expectations ha, kasi I was very happy. She is buying, sabi niya, I'm just gonna get the 2 bags for now kasi 3 yung pinagpipilian niya. And then, we organized time. Sabi niya, do you want cash or bank transfer or, you know, yung mode of payments and all. Sabi ko, I prefer cash and pick up. But I have FPOS as well, which means yung ano lang, yung tap-tap lang ng card kasi I have the thing on my phone now, thanks to Daddy Mike. And sabi niya, okay, I'll come there tomorrow before 10 o'clock. And then, naghintay ako. Sabi niya na hindi daw siya makakarating that morning because she had to go to the dentist for some reason. May naiwala siya na nilagay ng dentist the other day. And she won't face anyone daw without that. So, it could be, I don't know, postizo. I don't know. But, sabi niya in the afternoon. The afternoon came, hindi na siya nag-message. And then, that's what I hate, guys. Like, can you just have a decency to freaking message me and let me know na hindi ka makakarating or you're not interested anymore, you found something else? Kasi naman maghintay ako dito sa bahay, guys. May mga anak ako, no, na gustong lumabas, gustong maglaro. And I couldn't take them anywhere kasi kailangan kong maghintay. Kasi may usapan na magpipick up ng ganyang time. Natapos na yung araw na yun, wala akong narinig from her. So, hindi na ako naghintay. Like, ayoko na umasa. Nasasaktan na ang puso ko. And then, can you imagine? A couple of days later, nag-message sa akin about something else, like another bag. I don't know if she realized na it's the same person na minessage niya. And she was asking how much is this one. So, I replied straight away. Sabi ko, I'm still waiting for you to pick up the 2 bags. Sabi niya, I'm so sorry. I now want these 3 bags. So, i-add niya yung kakatanong lang niya na bag. And, I am now in Kangaroo Point. She messaged me at like 9:40 at night. I'm not at Kangaroo Point. Kangaroo Point is probably 8 minutes from here. 8 to 10 minutes from here. Can I come now? And I said like, it's too late. No way. No way you'd come this time of the night. Are you a bat? Are you, a Dracula? Or something? And sabi ko na still, and she said like, or I'll come tomorrow morning before 10, before 11. Sinabi na naman niya, guys. But nung sinabi niya na yun sa akin, hindi na ako na-expect. Like, I'm not expecting anything from people anymore because I now realize na kung gusto ng tao yung item, they will come. Whatever happens, whatever it takes, they will come. So, sabi niya, well, since I noticed that you have Pay ID, I can now send the money to you para alam mo na pupunta talaga ako dyan tomorrow morning. So, I sent the details. Sabi ko, here. But, again, hindi na ako nag-expect. And you know what? Binigay ko sa kanya yung details and all. I haven't heard anything back after that. And then the next day, wala. So, di ba sabi niya darating siya? So, I'm so sick of people na nagpapaasa. Especially, hindi lang yun yung ginagawa ko, guys, diba? May ibang bagay din ako, ina din ako, may ginagawa din ako. And they just let me, like, wait for nothing. Kaya ngayon, sinasabi ko, hindi na ako maghihintay. Kung sasabihin nila na they will come here at 2 and then I have something else to do, sabihin ko, I'm available this time. Hindi na ako yung mag-cater sa kanila. Kasi, the end of the day, ako yung walay. Ako yung nasasaktan. Nakaka-bad mood lang, guys. Alam niyo yun? And it's sad because minsan na-generalize mo na. May mga tao na mabuti. Na may mga tao na they will come. But then, dahil sa mga terrible experiences mo, nasasali mo yung iba. But, you know, online seller feels. Ay, ang hirap kumita ng piso, guys. Just colored. So, my kape is ready. Here is my suman. Dalawa. Dalawa, tatlo. Hi, Louie! Come to mama! It's now 1 o'clock, guys. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating pedicure pa more. Tingnan nyo ang view dito. Ang daanan papunta sa kanyang salon. Kasi home-based eh. I've been here before. Yung pinagawa ko naman yung sa kamay ko. Not this one. It's like long time ago. Kasi pumunta siya nag-holiday. So she was away for a bit. But ngayon, yung papagawa natin ay yung ating paa. Ayan. Kailangan na ng tender care, loving care. Tender loving care. Have a look. Sobrang ganda ng view. Beautiful. Ito yung kanyang paseta. Hi! How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good. How are you? So you didn't get sick?
No.
Oh, that's so good.
I never have any shot in Australia.
Yeah, the same. Yeah, the same. Me too. Oh my god, it looks like nails now. Check guys, it's 1:44 ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang. Parang ko ba ipakita to? Ganito? Sobrang happy ko guys. Nagmukha na naman siyang paa ulit. I really like this lady. Tammy. She's so good. Oh my god. I love the color as well. Buti na lang ito yung pinili ko. So, nasa labas na ako. Kita nyo naman guys ang ating background. Ah, napakaganda. So relaxing. Tingnan nyo. Lahat yan. Ito ang ating pa-outfit. Okay lang to guys. Wala namang sasakyan dito. Masyado. Look. Naka maxi skirt. Naka maxi skirt si mami niyo. Let's go. Hindi pa ako nakakain ng lunch. So, pupunta tayo sa bakery. Malapit sa atin. And then, pick up at the Paris. Ang bilis ng oras. Grabe. I'm having banh mi for lunch. Ang sarap-sarap. Tingnan nyo. Crispy pork Good luck sa ating ngipin dito, guys. Kit-kit pa more. Dito ako sa labas ng bakery, guys. From here, diretso na ako sa school ni Ate Paris kasi alam niyo naman ang parking problem. Kailangan maaga tayo doon. Hindi na ako umuwi. Pinakain ko na naman si Louie kanina before ako umalis. It's now 4:40 and nandito kami sa petrol station, guys. Ang sasakyan ay nandiyan. I-vacuum natin just before we pick up baby Celine. Magpapachange na tayo dito. Kailangan natin ng $2. Taster only.
Mom, hungry.
Louie, where are you going?
Mom, turn the light off.
Turn the light on. Oh, it's so dark. It's 7 something, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Bunang Baba. Gotta have something to eat for dinner. Pick up namin sa Daddy Mike and ayan, we drove here for 12 minutes. We're gonna have some Vietnamese food. Where you wanna sit, Ate? You sit here next to me? You sit there. Mama will sit this.
Matt's sleeping day.
Yes! Yeah. The Celine wants to sit there?
I get them.
Let's do it together.
Put together. Then to lift up high, okay?
Careful, Baba. You have to wipe that one too, Daddy.
Careful.
Careful pa lang your head.
Lift your head.
I'll sit there. Have wipe for that one there.
Put it there.
Yeah, but everybody likes coconut. I don't like the coconut juice, but I like the coconut thingy inside.
The coconut meat.
Yeah, the coconut.
We get you a bowl. Yes. I get you a bowl.
Where's my bowl?
I get it for you.
What is that?
It's the ice cream.
The ice cream and the cookie?
Yeah.
Who bought you that?
Daddy.
Who bought that?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Yay,
Oh my
let's have one.
No. Excited ba sila?
Let's have one.
Lang mga bata na wala nang chocolate, guys. Ma-excited na makita gingan.
And our dinner.
Okay, Lily, because your body, you can choose first.
Yes, you can do that first.
Pick one.
I knew I was going to choose that one.
Yum. Not really. Not my thing.
Oh, good.
Babe, let me try that. What's this?
Vanilla.
Wow, ini dua-dua ah.